The Winslow 69 Faul Raft tutorial. This video has the following sections: pre-flight inspection, raft deployment methods, exterior and interior raft features, repair kit instructions, water maker instructions, signaling devices instructions. Raft pre-flight inspection. There are several things you want to look for in a pre-flight inspection of the raft. Check thoroughly the outside valise for the LifeRaft. Make sure there are no tears, oil stains, or other substances. Check that the pack is not bloated, which would indicate it has a vacuum seal leak. Make sure all the handles are working properly. The lifting handles have to face out so you can pull the valise from the storage compartment. Make sure the loop and painter line are out. Be careful not to get the line snagged because you can accidentally inflate the raft inside the plane. Check also the different data plate. There will be an inspection card certifying that the raft has gone through an inspection at an authorized service center. There's a label with instructions on how to deploy the raft. There's a second label with instructions on how to inflate the raft when you are in the water. If you open the Velcro, you will see a ring to initiate inflation. Survival pack. The survival pack includes emergency ration bars, a first aid kit that includes first aid guide, triangular bandages, adhesive bandages, sterile compressors, sterile gloves, adhesive plaster, antiseptic towelettes, and a space blanket for insulation. The survival equipment pack also includes the miscellaneous equipment pack. In it you will find a survival equipment manual, raft repair clamps, Dramamine pills for seasickness, a folding knife, a fishing kit, 75 feet of corded line, and a water bag to be used with a water maker. In the signaling kit you will find reflective paddles, a laser flare, a flashlight, the rescue streamer, aerial flare, and the sea dye marker. An additional signaling kit has 2 sponges, spare batteries, 2 pressure relief valve plugs, a rescue whistle, a signaling mirror, and a magnetic compass. Putting on the life vest. There's a wrong way and a right way. Bring the straps around the waist and fasten. There are 2 inflating cords. A cartridge will inflate the vest when pulled. Blow into the tubes located on the upper side of the life jacket. Raft deployment method 1. Bring the raft valise out of the airplane using its straps. At the plug where it reads "Pull to inflate," lift the Velcro to reveal the painter line. Tie the painter line to a fixed point in the aircraft. Throw the raft and its valise into the water away from the aircraft, making sure you're holding the painter line. Pull the painter line to activate the automatic inflation mechanism. Once deployed, wait until the raft has inflated itself. A tripod arch canopy should be also inflated. It is preferable to swim to the raft because burning fuel or sharp edges may damage it. The raft has a front boarding entry with a 4-rung ladder. There is an interior assist ladder to get hold of in order to pull yourself inside. Use also the 4-browed boarding assist handles. Inside you will find a 75-foot long heaving trailing line. Use it to assist others trying to reach the raft and help them climb in. There's a safety knife for cutting the painter line. Sometimes the raft is flipped over by mistake or is accidentally deployed upside down. In order to put it on its right side up, you must pull the straps located on its bottom side and use your weight to overturn it. Raft deployment method 2. If you're in the water, the best way to inflate the raft is using the quick deploy ring mechanism. Find the ring by opening the Velcro plug. Pull the ring. Once deployed, wait until the raft has inflated itself. Raft features. In the exterior, you will find an inflation cylinder. The raft has a front boarding entry with a 4-rung ladder and a rear boarding with a 3-rung boarding ladder. There's a plaque stating the right side to climb in. There's a grab rail around the exterior. The canopy has a silver tape that is light and radar reflective. On the top of the canopy, there's a survivor locator light and an interior light. The assist ladder can be taken off by unclipping 2 clips. The canopy can be put in sail position, which means half open, or it can be fully closed in case of storms or to hide from the sun exposure. At the back, there is the rear entrance porthole, also with a 3-rung boarding ladder. This is an alternate way of entering the raft. The sea anchor is located at the back of the raft. Deploy the sea anchor to slow down the movement of the raft caused by wind and currents. The ideal length of its distance to the raft is the distance between 2 wave crests. On the top of the canopy, there's a water collection port. It can be used as a porthole to look outside without letting rain inside in foul weather. On the bottom of the raft, there are 5 ballast bags that will fill with water and keep the raft upright. In the interior of the raft, there's a grab rail to hold on to in case of waves. Review the different packages inside the survival pack. You should have emergency rations, first aid kit, the water maker pack, signaling kit and an additional signaling kit, and the miscellaneous equipment pack. Use the 4 stowage pockets to accommodate the survival kit elements. 1 pocket should be for food, another for the first aid kit, the 3rd for the signaling devices, and the 4th for miscellaneous parts of the kit. Pump and pressure valves. To inflate the raft, use the pump. The floor can be also inflated. This helps also to insulate people from cold water. The raft repair clamps. If the raft is punctured and is losing air, open the puncture enough to allow for 1/2 of the clamp to go in. Adjust the other half clamp so that it is sitting on the edges of its counterpart. By adjusting a screw, the two halves are coupled together tightly, preventing air from escaping. Sponges and a bucket are also provided for draining water out of the raft. The water maker. The rubber pipe with the filter goes into the sea. The other rubber pipe goes into the water bag. Make sure you don't dehydrate. Drink fresh water several times a day. Don't try the seawater. Strange effects have been reported. Signaling device tips. The rescue streamer. It is a 35-foot long strap of red plastic designed to float and make a larger mark for search rescue operations. The sea dye ink. A green dye will make a large mark that can be seen from 2 miles away from the air. The whistle. Especially useful in nighttime encounters with passing boats. The red laser. It can be safely pointed at aircrafts or boats up to a distance of 16 miles. The mirror. Use your fingers as a sight for properly aiming the sun at search rescue vehicles. The reflective paddles. Its reflective surface can be used for signaling passing boats or planes, or to paddle a short distance. The flare. A one-time device to be used only for closer encounters with search rescue vehicles, both in daytime and nighttime.